Assalamu alaikum সবাইকে. Many of you actually requested to help you to create a video for all the assignment that has been given to you. So I'm creating this video actually for your first assignment, assignment 1. How does it looks like? So this is the assignment 1 as a sample cover letter. Just to share, the cover letter has a 5 part, and this part you make sure that you remember and you follow. Okay, what are the 5 part? So basically, top part is known as a header. Okay, this is first top part for the covering letter. Okay, these are known as header. Okay, you must make sure that you cover the header. Second is the greetings, is the person that you are speaking to, the person you are writing to. So make sure you correctly write it. If it's a sir, it's sir. Madam is madam. If you don't know the person, it could be sir and madam. You just put here sir and madam. Okay. Third is opener, how you are starting this letter. Okay, this is very important. How you start the letter. Okay, every time you start the conversation, which is very important. The summary, why you are suitable for this candidate, why that employee should hire that very well, especially 3 reference project. I think this is ideal way to do it, and add according to this bullet. And the last part is the closing part. Okay, tell them that that you are exciting for this role, and you wanted to speak to them, and you are looking forward for having an interview session. So these are the 5 part: header, ratings, opener, summary, and closing. So you must include this 5 part in your letter. Okay. You can take a look. I will be also sharing this cover letter template soft copy in the learning center, so that all of you can download this document and actually modify it. So where do you need to modify it? So you need to modify all those places, including those are marked as yellow. So like for example, these are area you need to update it. Okay, this will be your name, address, where you live, details, email, phone number, and here will be the company information, the company that you are applying. First, put the date format. You can actually put it like, for example, today is 18 February 2023, like this format. Okay, so make sure you follow this format. So you can put hiring manager if you know the manager that you are applying for. If you don't know, you can just leave it as a hiring manager. No need to write this part. Okay, just hiring manager, that is fine. Okay, you can just keep this format itself. Make sure you remove all the shading, yellow color shading. Okay, so to hiring manager, or you can put Mr. Nicholas, company ABC Construction, strict address, based on the strict address that for the company, and so on and so on. Okay, so then dear sir and madam, you need to start with the person, either sir or madam. If you know this is boy, like Nicholas, you should say dear sir. If you know this is Ariana Saxena, maybe madam, or Nicole Oy, then you should start from here. My name is Nazmul Khan. I am cyber security specialist, and working as a cyber security architect at the company, like for example CTC Singapore. I'm reaching out to express my interest for the position that you are applying. It could be a regional cyber security architect, and the company as maybe for example the Symantec, so the company that you are applying for. Then in my position, what exactly I have done in my position, I have played the instrumental role, in the action, which mainly the pre-sales, with department, in solutioning, in the service delivery. So these are the different action department that you have contributed and solved many business challenges, or has improved quality of services. An outstanding, I have completed outstanding performance in many projects or services, or those industry that you are working for, and here some of them. So actually share some of those projects, like for example, this could be a main navigation, the role that you play as a safety officer, and then which year you completed this project, let's say for example 2010. Then second project, let's say for example you completed at Changi Airport, and what was the role, safety supervisor, which year, maybe for example 2008. And then third project. So these are all different kind of projects that actually you can share. You don't need to tell all projects, but share the top 3 projects that you wanted to share. It was a prominent successful project. Okay. After reviewing the job description, you put the job title, the job that you are applying for the company, and I'm eager to apply for this experience to help your department. It could be whatever the department that you are applying for, or the company for, under the execute on the business need. It could be saying that improving their service. You can say that quality of service. You can say that actually line of industry. I feel confident that I am. Which area are you in? Skills, knowledge. It could be I am very confident that in my current expertise, or a safety profession, a skill, knowledge, and industry. Which industry? The construction industry, or many industry. Which industry? Space, position, that ideal candidate. So you are trying to tell them that you are a most ideal candidate and why. Okay, and the last closing part was where you should tell. Actas is my resume. In further details, my qualification. Thank you for taking my time to review review my application, to speaking with you about these exciting opportunities. Okay, and you should end with the best regards of thanking you with the name. I mean your name. You should use your NIC name. You should use your WhatsApp and your email address. So this is basically a cover letter format. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Okay, you don't need to add beneficial logo if you don't want, or no need to look for. Actually, that's just for example. Cover letter, you don't need to write it. It should be starting from here. Okay, this is exactly the screenshot that you see. That is your letter, and make sure that you follow this letter format. Okay, I'll be again passing this letter to you guys. I hope that you can follow this letter and furnish your assignment. And once you furnish this assignment, you can actually upload your assignment on the assignment portal. I think I have shared the assignment portal link. Let me just share again. tinyurl.com/24asia assignment. This is the URL that you have to actually go here. Okay, you should write your email. As for example, this is my email. Full name. It should be full name for your certificate, the way you wanted to see your certificate. My short name is Nazmul Khan, but my full name according to the certificate is MOHAMMADNSMULHOQUEKHAN. This is my full name according to my certificate. WhatsApp 96364740. And the course, definitely there are 12 courses that we conduct, and you must select number 2 for Microsoft Office, which is including Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So for Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all 3 courses, this is the one that you have to select in order to upload the assignment. Then you can actually add the file. Okay, add the file, and you should add the file where you keep your file. Okay, make sure that, let's say for example, this document that I have actually saved. So I will be saving this document under, let's say for example, under the download, I will write ASSIGNMNT assignment 01 Nazmul Khan cover letter. So this is the file name that I'm going to save. Okay, and I will be saving under the download folder, for example. So I've saved this, so I'll go my Google folder. I'll look for that. Okay, assignment 1 Nazmul Khan cover letter, and I will attach this file. So now if you wanted to add for resume, for all other assignment, you can also just add file. Okay, here you can up to add 10 file, but so far I've given actually 4 assignment. Part 1 is 2 and part 2 is 4. Many of you ask whether you can upload all 4 assignment together. Yes, this month, make sure next month you add all 4 assignment, and all those 4 assignment must be 4 individual file. Okay, you add one by one, and those all assignment must be document format, not picture, not PDF. Okay, you add one by one. You can write here Microsoft Word assignment. Okay, since this is for Microsoft Word assignment, then you just submit it, and once you submit it, you will be able to say confirmation paste. That's it. That's all that you need to do. I hope this is clear for you, and looking forward to see you soon on the next class. Thank you.